Hello guys, this is Harshi from KAREEMM's YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to create Instagram account in 2021. Okay, so let's get start our video. So firstly, open Instagram app, and now click on create new account, and here it will ask you to select a username. I just select a username called Fanendra Official. And click on next. Now here you need to create a password and click on next. So now click on complete sign up and click on skip. So if you need to add your profile photo, then you can simply add it from there. Okay, so after that click on arrow mark. So here is your new created Instagram page. So this is how you can create Instagram account in 2021. Thank you for watching.